Welcome back to another episode. So this week, as you can see, I've already done one door because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, so I always do one door before I know what I'm doing so I can record it and not spend 2 hours showing you what I can't do. So I've already done one door. I've got all the seals off, all the regulator off, glass sitting over there, door sitting here. I've already had a go at sanding back some of the bits where the rust was really bad. You can see it's quite badly pitted there. But yeah, we got this door fully stripped, glass out, all the little clips out, door locks, door handles, everything off, basic plain door, because we got some rust to tackle on these doors. Along the inner arches, you can see where I've sanded it back there a little bit, and we got quite a little bit up there. But yeah, overall the door condition's absolutely perfect. I can't really complain about the condition of the door. But yeah, I'm going to show you that one on camera. The first thing that I didn't do last time was take this cover off here, get these window switches out, and get all of these toggle switches out, because I nearly broke them all last time. Let's get all those out first, and then we can take the door card off. With that off, obviously go easy on these switches because they are, after 24 years, they're going to be quite brittle. But they come off quite nice and easy this time. This now you've got one screw in there, one screw down in there, and you got, I think that's it on this door. There was 3 on the last one, but then you've got a series of pop clips all the way around, which if you pull hard enough you hear them all clip. Unclip that from all the way up there. Take this, nope. Take that door lock pin off and push the lock in. Okay, on this one the lock's already in. Keep these safe because they're expensive to rebuy. And yeah, break all your pop clips all the way around. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. Get your door card off. You got a little bit of plastic foam which just slides out. And then you're left with all of this. Obviously you've got to disconnect all your wires from the plastic foam. That's your internal wiring loom for the door, which comes out over there. Your window regulator, motor, the door lock over here, which can be taken off on the side. All of this trim's got to come off. Next bit is to take this bit off and get this wing mirror off, just to give us a bit more stable surface to work on. And yeah, get this glass out next, I think. So you pull the engine, the door wiring loom through that hole there. Sits over there. Literally just uncoils through that hole. It's a big old gap you can get down in there to pull it out. So to take the glass out, you've got to get to these screws down here. But because it's not connected to power, we have to take all of these 10mm bolts off the regulator, slide the regulator up, undo those bolts, slide the glass out. Before we do that, we've got to get these side trims out. They go right the way down the door on this corner here and this corner here, so you've got to kind of take it out from the corner, slide it up. It's pretty simple. You just take it from this corner, peel it back, and then it all pretty much comes out nice and easy. So let's get that done now. So now we've got all of this out. It gives you a better look of the inside of the door. Obviously that down there I thought was rust, but it's not. You can see it scraped off, it's just dirt. But you can see why we're doing this, because deep inside there's a lot of crud and surface rust, and over there, and just in general on the actual door, it's just disgusting. So we're going to get in there and sand it all back, clean it all back, primer these doors. I don't know if I'm going to get the primer done today because I haven't got any more primer, but that is how to do both doors. Now I've got to tidy the bloody hell up this garage because it is an absolute pigsty. Again, not the greatest video in the world. I do apologise. Well, this is all I can really do at the moment with the weather. We've got nothing to do on the Audi. Ollie hasn't even got a car, which most people don't even know. But Ollie hasn't been on the channel in a while. He's got his own things going on. But yeah, this is all I can pretty much get done at the moment in the dry. Strip the doors and do everything inside the garage. So for the next month or so, while the weather's been shit, you have to bear with me. But yeah, I hope you did like this video. And if you did, please remember to like and subscribe, because only 90% of you 10%, sorry, are subscribed. 90% of you guys who watch the videos don't subscribe. So if you could subscribe, that'd be a massive help. And yeah, I cut my finger and did the old tape on the finger trick. But yeah, if you did like this video, please remember to like and subscribe and comment if you're interested. And I'll see you on the next one. Adios.